Hello everyone, hope you guys doing well. This is Azim from azimhussain.pk with this another video. This time to tell you that how powerful Google Merchant Center feed rules are. Okay, so if you can quickly look at it here, that this is the recent client of mine and they are an e-commerce store and they gave me they have onboarded me recently, and obviously they want me to run shopping ads for them. But before I actually run shopping ads for them, I need to make sure to check out their Merchant Center feeds, their products, and how many are disapproved. So they had this, if you can look at this date, 17th April, on the same way that I am recording this video, they have 64% disapproved items. And the reason for the disapproval was invalid GTINs, okay? So obviously, whoever from you guys is managing Google Shopping feeds and this Merchant Center, they know that how GTIN works, okay, and how much time it can take of yours in order to get approval for these 412 items. So I want, and most of the GTINs contain this alphabets. Okay, so obviously you're aware of the fact that GTINs does not contain alphabets. The ideal scenario would have been that someone from the development team, my client's developer, they should get rid of those GTINs from within their Shopify store. But obviously, it's a big ask. It is very time consuming. Whereas it took me only 15 minutes in order to get these products approved. What I did exactly, and on the same day, if you can see here, I got them approved, okay? And I think it took me about only 15 minutes. And that is basically because of Merchant Center. It took them like 10 minutes for Merchant Center to get them approved after I applied the rule that I am about to share, okay? So coming back to straight to the point, that what exactly I did. I actually selected feeds within products, and then after coming within feeds, I selected the actual feed. This feed is created through an app, okay, within Shopify store. I don't know what app is that, but I'm not bothered because I don't have time to fix all the GTINs within that app or within the Shopify store. So I clicked onto this feed, and then within feed, I actually got into feed rules, okay? And within feed rules, I created this rule by clicking on this plus icon, okay? And after that, this is the rule that I have created, and I'm going to show you that what exactly I inserted in order to get those products approved, okay? So this was the rule basically. So I came into this attribute GTIN, okay, and then after that I clicked onto this add modification button, and after clicking on add modification, this was the screen was prompted up, okay, without these things. Let me just explain that again, okay? So just do that and cancel it, and this is what I clicked on, add modification, and this is how it looked, okay? And then after clicking onto that, I went into advanced operators, and over here I selected this clear section, okay? And once I selected this clear option, I gave them this condition, okay, that GTINs, obviously this is the field that I want to work, okay, and this is the field that I am already in, okay? So this feed consisting of GTIN attribute field, which contains, I changed contain with this particular option, that is contains any of those keywords, phrases, or whatever, okay? So I mentioned A, B, C, D, and obviously the list goes on from A to Z. And then I simply clicked OK. Obviously I'm not going to do that because this is exactly what I have created over here. See, US data feed, which is the name of the feed that client is using, contain any of these alphabets or letters, and after that, obviously I have selected this clear option, and then OK, and then boom. Within 15 minutes, I got these items approved, you know. So I hope this is helpful. If you're facing any kind of issues, I'm not selling any of these services. This is something that you can take benefit from, and I hope you have learned through this video. And if you have any questions, let me know. And thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.